be young and in love in New York City. To not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. Midnight into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time, I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you. I don't know what it is, but I got that feeling. Waking up in this bed next to you, swear the room, yeah, got no ceiling. If we lay that the day just passes by, might get to too much talk, might have to tell you something. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time, I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you. Me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time, I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you. To be young and in love in New York City. To not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. Midnight into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time, I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you. I don't know what it is, but I got that feeling. Waking up in this bed next to you, swear the room, yeah, got no ceiling. If we lay that the day just passes by, might get to too much talk, might have to tell you something. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time, I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you. me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time, I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you.
Oh, she's a gold digger. Way over town. That digs on me.
She killed me, boy. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger.
So my camera about to turn off. I'm about to restart it because I only have 30 minutes to record. But wow, what was I about to say? What the was I about to say? Oh, about my hair. So this is a get ready with me because I'm about to go out to the club. It's like 9:30 and I gotta go pick my girlfriend up from work at 10, probably like 10:30. So I gotta be at the house I'm trying to be at the house by 10. So I have 30 minutes exactly to, you know, finish my face and get dressed. And I'm thinking about doing my hair because Natural J is never really that good to go to the club. So I might have a little hair get ready with me too. It might be a little bun fixer upper after this video. That was it.
I don't know what it is, but I got that feeling. Waking up in this bed next to you, swear the room, yeah, got no ceiling. If we lay that the day just passes by, might get to too much talking, might have to tell you something. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time, I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you. Me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time, I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you. To be young and in love in New York City. To not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. Midnight into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time, I stayed for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you.
My hair is, I'm about to let it lay under this scarf to lay down, but my real hair ponytail, it is not tight, so I'm about to go find another ponytail holder. I'll probably go ask one of my roommates And then by the time I come back, redo my ponytail, I'll take the scarf off and show y'all my edges. So I found another ponytail holder, and I'm taking off my ponytail. I'm about to, I did my bun already, but I'm about to redo it because as you can see, it has kind of like a weird shape. So I'm gonna like try to tuck and pull just so it'll look right. So like I said, I usually go in about 2 or 3 times with my mascara because I don't wear lashes, because my lashes are pretty long, but I do like to have coats of mascara just so they can look a little bit longer when I wear eyeshadow like this. So I'm only putting this third layer. Well, this is like the third layer on my top lashes and like the second on my bottom. So I don't have no lip liner. I'm gonna turn this. I don't have no lip liner. I don't know what I should wear. I mean, I don't have no outfits. Dang. I'm trying to hurry up because I was supposed to be out of here by 10 to go pick up my girlfriend from work because we're going out tonight, and it is now 9:58. And I was supposed to be completely done, and I'm not even dressed yet. I don't even know what I'm wearing. So I'm just going to throw this red on. This is a lip liner by MAC called Kiss Me Quick. And the lipstick is called Hooray for Holiday. It's their Christmas. It was their past Christmas collection. Okay, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys like it. It looks like a very holiday type of look. Not really going for that because it's not the holidays anymore, but this is the look that I came up with. This is actually a little Get Ready With Me. Not a cut crease, kind of similar to my last look, but not really because the last look was kind of a cut crease. And I'm very proud. Like, I look astounding right now, okay? This light's giving me life, doing my highlight life, my nose highlight. I hope the quality of this video is a little bit better and different. I'm using my circle light that I don't really use. It's actually a little mini diva light. It only goes around the lens of your camera. Waiting on my big circle light to get here, so more better quality videos coming soon. If you guys can't tell, I've been doing my videos in my bathroom because that is now where my makeup is. But if you guys don't like, you know, videos in my bathroom, I don't really think it makes a difference. I can move back to where I was, which was my desk, but that's kind of like my little art studio now. So yeah, if y'all did see my wall when I kept having to open the door and you seen all the artwork on my wall, let me know if you guys are interested. Let me know if you guys want to see a room tour or art tour or something like that. My room is filled, looks like a little mini gallery, so let me know if you guys want to see that. If you guys are interested in that, let me know what type of other videos you want to see. I'm going to try to list everything in the description box. Every time I say I'm going to list something in the description box, I never get to it. I'm going to go back through all of my videos that I said that and list all of those products because I always say that and don't do it, and I still have all of those products that I used in my previous videos, so it shouldn't take me too long to do so. But I'm pressed for time, so I have to go to find something to wear and go get my girl. So I hope you guys love this look. Please let me know what you guys would like to see in the next video. Hopefully, I've done like 100, no, I did like 7 eyebrow tutorials, and I did not like none of them. So I'm gonna really try to get that out to you guys. I just did my eyebrows like yesterday or the day before. I just cleaned them up, so that tutorial should not be that hard at all. It took me about 2 minutes to do my eyebrows today, so I'll do that for you guys. And I'm gonna stop talking, so bye.